Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to check the Foxeer, a new 5-inch racing frame by Foxeer. In this quick video I'm going to assemble the frame, go over its features and specs, and announce a giveaway which is sponsored by Foxeer, so one lucky subscriber is going to win either the Foxeer or the Ura freestyle frame, which is going to be directly sent to the winner by Foxeer. First of all, in terms of packaging, the Foxeer frame comes inside a compact box, and inside you can find two high-quality Foxeer branded 20 and 24 cm long battery Velcro straps that feature a grip pattern for better securing the battery, 4 interchangeable carbon fiber arms, the middle, bottom and top plates, all the needed screws, standoffs and bolts which are required for assembling the frame, and 3D printed TPU parts that include an antenna and a nano-sized FPV camera mounts and a shark fin which is going to help you to recover from crashes using turtle mode. In order to assemble the frame, secure the carbon fiber arms between the middle and bottom plates using the short flat-headed screws on the center and the longer ones on the sides. Then assemble the standoffs. Screw the round-headed entry screws inside the 20 by 20 mm mounting holes on the center of the frame. Insert all the included 3D printed TPU parts and secure the top plate using the shorter entry screws. In terms of features and specs, the Foxeer Foxeer frame weighs, including the 3D printed parts, 72.7 grams, so it is very light. It features high-quality T700 carbon fiber parts which have a very nice finish. The thickness of each replaceable carbon fiber arm is 5 mm and its width is 8.7 mm. The wheelbase of the frame is 200 mm and it features a true X pattern. The thickness of the bottom and middle plates is 2.3 mm and the thickness of the top plate is 2 mm. The distance between the middle and top plates is 25.2 mm and the frame only supports 20 by 20 mm stacks. On the back of the frame you can find these holes that are going to enable you to secure an Immortal T antenna, and the purpose of this 3D printed TPU part is to cover these two metal parts that can cause a short circuit since they are located next to the battery pads. The motors are only secured using 3 screws, which is pretty standard for racing frames. In addition, an anti-skid battery sticker is already pre-attached to the bottom plate. The frame only supports nano-sized FPV cameras, and the antenna mount is designed to accommodate the Foxeer Micro Lollipop antenna. I'm going to feature the Foxeer frame soon in a build and flight video, in which I'm also going to use the Foxeer F722V2 flight controller and the Reaper Mini 60A 20 by 20 mm ESC, and I can estimate that the total weight, including all the parts that I'm going to use, is going to be around 260 grams, so this setup is definitely going to be very agile. As for durability, which is very important for racing frames, since you are probably going to crash it a lot, of course I still haven't tested it out, so I cannot give you a very educated answer, but from what I can tell, the quality of the carbon fiber arms is very good, and the arms are properly secured in their position, so I can estimate that this frame will be able to withstand some nasty crashes. As for the giveaway, in case you would like to participate, all you have to do is to make sure that you are publicly subscribed to my channel, hit the notifications bell so in case you are the winner you are not going to miss out, and leave a single comment down below that contains the giveaway code that was shown earlier in the video. I'm going to randomly select the winner in the upcoming build video, so stay tuned, and the winner will be able to select either the Foxeer frame or the Ura freestyle frame, which is going to be directly sent to them by Foxeer, who are sponsoring this video. I wish you all happy flying, and I'll see you soon on my next videos. Goodbye.